last night I went to see Nikki Glaser at the Meridian Hall. I hadn't been there since it was called the O'Keefe Center and then later the Hummingbird Center, but I thought as long as I was there, I might as well do a little video of it because I think even since I was there, things might have changed. It's been so long, I don't really know, but I just think that it probably has undergone a bit of renovation. Anyway, it was massive. So here is a little quick video of the Meridian Hall.
Thank you. Perfect. On the same level
Business class, nice.
Hi.
Hi. Where are y'all going? Yeah, that's a good start.
If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.